Catherine and Michaela Polchak. Together we design and build the most beautiful bathrooms in the Lakes region. We are Winnie Designs.
So just wanted to show you our most recent bathroom that we have done. This is the entrance into it, and let's have a look-see. Here she is. So when you walk in, on the left you have his and her sink. Double vanities, really cool Edison bulb lights. We took the old mirrors off, recut them, and made them fit. On the side, we built this wall over here that's gonna have some built-in shelves. There's an actual 2-inch slab shelf in here, and there's a pretty cool story behind where that wood came from. So here's the pile of wood that these shelves came from. Got the wood with me. I just hacked that off right there. Got myself 4 feet. But that stuff's been seasoned for a year and a half now. So Catherine's dad mills them. There's some new stuff right here. There's his mill. So that stuff started off just like that. Went there, cut it. I'm gonna finish it off, then install it. So that's the story behind the shelves. So continuing over, we have the toilet. Here's our toilet with a little barn door here as well, custom built. You slide this guy over, and that's where their toilet paper is going to be, and all the little magazines and everything that they need. It's going to be there, and then it slides back to close that. Panning around this area, we have this beautiful new window that they put in. Now we have this drop-in tub that we built. Drop-in tub, so the toilet used to be there, the tub used to be over here on this side, and then the shower used to be back here, so everything got rearranged. But we got this tub, and then this bench goes across to this beautiful curbless shower. Got a glass panel. So beautiful curbless shower. No glass door, glass shelf. Rain shower head. 1/2-inch thick glass shelves. A pair of them. A really cool shower window, and these are built for the showers. The tile kind of goes right in the back of that, so they'll be able to open that. An 8-foot bench, the longest bench we've ever done, and then runs into right into this area. So kind of panning around this way. You walk in, you have a heated towel rack, and then we've got your shower. And then looking back this way, got your vanities and all that. So this is our most recent bathroom. Super proud of it. It took a little while to get it 100% done with all the holidays and everything in the middle of that. But we're proud of it. Looks beautiful. Very functional. Huge shower. So we're excited to have the homeowners start using it, and we're on to the next one.